Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Today I have this pleasure of showing you this beautiful 2024 Boston Whaler 160 Sport that's right behind me. It has the white exterior with the navy blue graphics. Beautiful, beautiful boat. It's got the 90 horsepower Mercury outboard on it with a nice white ski tow bar that you see right behind me. You're gonna have some stainless steel cleats, a nice little boarding ladder in the transom. It does come with a nice galvanized trailer. In the interior, you have easy access to your gas tank, a nice bench seat with 2 cup holders. Again, another bench seat next to the helm with some storage underneath that. And in the anchor locker, you'll have a little bit more space to either store an anchor or store other things that you would like. Again, pretty easy walkthrough today here, but just wanted to show off this beautiful 2024 160 Sport that we just got into our inventory here at MarineMax Rogers in Minnesota. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or come stop by. We'd be glad to help you out.